Have you ever wondered what essential ingredients can take your cooking to the next level while boosting your health? Today, we're diving into the 13 must-have ingredients that will not only enhance your culinary creations, but also provide incredible health benefits. Curious to know what they are? Let's dive in. Let's start with number 1, rosemary. This aromatic herb is perfect for seasoning meats, vegetables, and even breads. But did you know it also has anti-inflammatory properties and can aid in digestion? Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in your body. It's also been shown to improve memory and concentration. Whether you're infusing olive oil with rosemary for a flavorful twist on your salads and marinades, or adding it to roasted meats for an extra burst of flavor, this herb is a kitchen essential. And that's just the beginning. Next up, we have cloves. These tiny powerhouses are great for adding warmth to both sweet and savory dishes. Cloves are packed with eugenol, a compound that has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. They're also known to help with toothaches and improve liver health. Add a few cloves to your next stew or use them in a spiced tea for a comforting drink. They also work wonders in baked goods like pumpkin pie or gingerbread. Oregano is another must-have. A staple in Mediterranean cuisine, oregano is perfect for pizzas, pasta sauces, and grilled meats. It's also rich in antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. Oregano oil is particularly potent and can be used to treat colds, indigestion, and even menstrual cramps. Fresh or dried, oregano adds a burst of flavor and health benefits to any dish. It's also excellent in marinades, salad dressings, and sprinkled over roasted vegetables. Then, we have thyme. This versatile herb is excellent for soups, stews, and roasted vegetables. Its antiseptic and antifungal properties can support respiratory health. Thyme is also a great source of vitamins C and A, which are important for immune function. It can help soothe a cough and relieve bronchitis symptoms. Add thyme to your homemade chicken broth or use it to season roasted potatoes for an aromatic touch. Thyme also pairs wonderfully with lemon in marinades for chicken and fish. Don't forget about turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color, turmeric is essential in curry powders and can be added to soups, stews, and rice dishes. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects are well documented thanks to the active compound curcumin. Turmeric can help manage arthritis pain, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even improve brain function. Make a golden milk latte with turmeric, ginger, and honey for a soothing, health-boosting beverage. It's also great in smoothies, scrambled eggs, and roasted vegetables for a colorful and nutritious kick. But we're not stopping there. Cinnamon, with its sweet and warming flavor, is perfect for desserts, breakfast dishes, and even savory recipes like tagliatelles. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it great for people with diabetes. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can lower cholesterol levels. Sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or add it to a smoothie for a delicious health boost. It's also fantastic in baked goods like cinnamon rolls, cookies, and apple pie, as well as in savory dishes like Moroccan chicken or chili. Next, we have matcha. This finely ground green tea powder can be used in beverages, smoothies, and baking. It's rich in antioxidants called catechins, which can help prevent cancer and heart disease. Matcha also boosts metabolism, enhances mood and concentration, and provides a gentle, sustained energy boost without the crash of coffee. Enjoy a traditional matcha tea ceremony or whip up a matcha latte for a delightful treat. You can also use matcha in baking to make green tea-flavored cakes, cookies, and muffins. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that's considered a superfood. It's packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a great addition to smoothies, juices, and energy bars. Spirulina can improve muscle strength and endurance, detoxify heavy metals, and boost the immune system. Add a teaspoon of spirulina powder to your morning smoothie for a vibrant green color and a nutritional powerhouse. It's also available in tablet form for a quick and easy health boost on the go. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Dried cranberries are tart and sweet, perfect for snacking, baking, and adding to salads. They're high in antioxidants and can support urinary tract health by preventing infections. Cranberries are also good for heart health and can help improve dental hygiene. Toss dried cranberries into your trail mix or bake them into cookies for a burst of flavor and health benefits. They also make a delicious addition to salads, grain bowls, and even savory dishes like roasted chicken or pork. Cumin is an earthy spice that's essential in many global cuisines, including Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern. It's great for seasoning meats, beans, and rice dishes. Cumin aids in digestion, boosts immunity, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Try adding cumin to your next batch of chili or use it to spice up roasted vegetables for a delicious and aromatic dish. Cumin is also a key ingredient in spice blends like garam masala and taco seasoning, adding depth and warmth to any dish. Now, let's talk about garlic, an ingredient that's been used for thousands of years both for its culinary and medicinal properties. Garlic is known for its strong, pungent flavor that enhances a variety of dishes from stir-fries and sauces to soups and marinades. But beyond its taste, garlic is packed with health benefits. It's rich in allicin, a compound that has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. It's also a natural immune booster, making it a go-to ingredient during cold and flu season. Whether you're roasting whole garlic bulbs to create a sweet, mellow spread for bread, or mincing it finely to add to a sauté, garlic is a kitchen staple that no cook should be without. Finally, let's not forget about ginger. This root is not only a key ingredient in Asian cuisine, but also a powerful health aid. Ginger's spicy, zesty flavor can add a kick to both sweet and savory dishes. It's fantastic in stir-fries, curries, and even desserts like ginger cookies or cakes. But the benefits of ginger go far beyond its taste. It's well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger can help alleviate nausea, reduce muscle pain and soreness, and improve digestion. It's also great for fighting colds and the flu due to its warming effects on the body. Make a soothing ginger tea by simmering fresh ginger slices in water, or add ginger to your smoothies and juices for a spicy twist. Grated ginger can also enhance marinades, dressings, and sauces, providing a burst of flavor and health benefits. Last but not least, we have paprika. This versatile spice comes in sweet, smoked, and hot varieties and is used in many dishes for flavor and color. Paprika is rich in vitamins A and E and has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help improve eye health and boost the immune system. Sprinkle paprika on deviled eggs, use it to season chicken, or add it to a stew for a rich, smoky flavor. Paprika also adds a beautiful color to dishes, making them visually appealing as well as delicious. And there you have it, folks. 13 essential ingredients that can transform your kitchen and elevate your culinary creations while providing amazing health benefits. From the aromatic rosemary to the vibrant ginger, these ingredients are not just pantry staples, but also powerful tools for a healthier lifestyle. Incorporating them into your meals is a delicious way to boost your wellness. If you enjoyed this deep dive into these must-have ingredients, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more tips, recipes, and health hacks coming your way. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.